How to redeem a Roblox gift card on your Android device using the website. This tutorial shows you how to add your gift card balance through the browser instead of the app. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. After that, go to roblox.com in the address bar at the top. From there, log into your Roblox account if you aren't already signed in. Following this, tap on the Robux icon or tap on the menu and look for gift cards. Then tap on Redeem. Once done, enter your gift card code in the field provided. You'll find the code on the back of the card or in your email if it was digital. From there, tap on Redeem to submit the code. At this stage, a confirmation message will appear, letting you know your balance has been added to your account. Finally, if your code isn't working, double-check that you've entered it correctly with no spaces. If the issue continues, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Help to contact Roblox support directly. And that's it. If this guide helped you redeem your Roblox gift card on the website, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.